I want to show you exactly how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views, and then I want to compare that with how much TikTok pays you for 1,000 views. And this is directly what they pay you, not selling your own products or services or affiliate marketing. This is from their partner programs here. So let me jump into the phone so I could show you exactly one video that has 1,000 views on YouTube and the other one has 1,000 views on TikTok, and let's see how much they pay you for each one. Now I have 3 different monetized channels here, but this one compares closely to my TikTok video as far as the type of content, but this one has 1,000 views right here, right? So let's take a look here in their video analytics, and let's go to the revenue tab here, and we want to change this one to be all time. So this was posted about a month ago here. So let's take a look. Got $5.82 that I got paid for 1,000 views, or about 1,100 views. And that means the RPM for this video is exactly $5.74. Now this is higher than normal videos on YouTube that have 1,000 views because it's kind of a camera review. Okay, so it depends on what kind of content you make. If you make entertainment content, it's gonna be far less than that. It could even be $1 for 1,000 views or even less than that. But you could have an e-commerce channel, for example, or advertising channels, and those are far higher. It could be 5 times more than what I'm getting paid for this video. Let's jump into TikTok here. And with TikTok, virality and getting views is far, far easier. The video I have just posted yesterday is already at 800,000 views. So it doesn't really compare for the amount of views, but I really wanted to just show you the amount of money you get paid. So if you press the 3 lines here and you're in their program, you could have this thing called the creator tool, and it's called the TikTok Creator Fund. You do have to apply, you do have to hit milestones. I do have a video explaining exactly how that works. But let's jump in here. And right now you could see in the last 6 days or so, I made $37. But let me show you the analytics here so we could actually do some math to figure out how much we got paid for 1,000 views. So let's jump on the 16th. So 43,000 views on that day. So that's a good day to figure out how much TikTok paid us on the 16th. So let's go back here to our creator fund. And on the 16th, we got paid $1 for 43,000 views. So if I take the dollar and divide it by 43, they paid for the 1,000 views exactly 2 cents. And I'll explain in a second why this is not apple to apple kind of comparison. But for example, in this case, TikTok paid me exactly 2 cents for 1,000 views on a much shorter video, and YouTube paid me almost $5 to $6 for 1,000 views. So not at all in the same world, right? That's 100 times, 200 times apart from the amount of views to the amount of money you get paid. But here's the difference. On TikTok, because of the potential of virality, I've gone viral with 1 million views or more 4 times in 8 days. The fact that's possible on TikTok, I was able to utilize that attention to send people to my website, to send people to my links, to send people to subscribe or follow me on Instagram. It gave me a lot of power. So compared to what you could do with YouTube, yes, you will make significantly more money from their partner program. But TikTok does have the potential to reach more people and therefore get more attention that you could utilize in different ways. Now I make monetization type of videos on this channel all the time, and I'll make some almost every single week on top of growing on social platforms and just becoming a content creator. But I just wanted to bring this one thing to your attention to understand, yes, YouTube will pay you far more than the TikTok Creator Fund, but it is far easier to grow on TikTok right now as I'm making this video. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of these contents about content creation and monetization, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.